Hello everyone, welcome to How To. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload video on YouTube. Now let's start. So here you can see that it's my YouTube channel studio page. Now you can upload a video from here upload video or here upload video. So select file, select your file which you want to upload there. So go to directory where your video content. Now select the video. So this is my video. Now give title to your video. Now give description about your video. Now here you can either choose the thumbnails from here or you can upload. So I am going to upload one thumbnail from my first if you are a beginner on YouTube or if you are going to upload first time on YouTube, then you should have to verify your phone number. So after verifying, you can either choose the thumbnail from here or you can upload from your file. So I am going to upload from my file. So here I have selected my thumbnail. Now here, if you want to create any playlist, you can create new playlist and done. In my case, I don't want to create any playlist. And here choose your audience, is this for kid or not? So I'm selecting no, it's not made for kid. And here you can keep age restriction, or here this is optional, either you can keep it or not. And here you have to mention your tags, like like that. Here you can select video language. So for in my case this is English, so I am going to choose English. Here English UK, and caption, you can keep caption or not, and these are the optional. These are the optional, either you can change or not, like category and these things you can choose. like for my in my case education, and I'm keeping this none. Now click on next, and these are the options. If you want to add something, you can. Now again click on next. So here you can, if you want to publish now, then click on public. If you want to keep it private and want to upload it later, click on private. If you want to publish on later, like here, click on public, and you can schedule here, schedule your time. So for now I want to make it public, so public, and then click on publish. Now close. This is showing for sharing purpose. Now close. Now go to content, and here you can see that one video has been uploaded.